Michelle Herron found out how a new database will work.
Starting July 1st, a statewide database will track prescriptions for narcotics like fentanyl and oxycodone in Georgia.
The bottom line is deaths are increasing from this particular epidemic, and we want to change that.
Georgia's Public Health Commissioner Dr. Patrick O'Neill told a group with the Region A Healthcare Coalition Tuesday it's another step the state is taking to fight the opioid epidemic, something that's touched his family personally.
My nephew survived. There have been so many situations where there was no survival. And as I talk about my family, I hear about other families.
Sheila Pierce helped create the Prescription Drug Monitoring Program. She says the database will track Schedule 2 through 5 narcotic prescriptions for 2 years, giving doctors another tool when treating patients.
What other active prescriptions the patient has, specifically what they are, who wrote them, when they were filled, etc., to use as part of their patient treatment program.
Pierce says if a doctor believes someone is abusing narcotics, they will be given options for getting help.
And we need to avoid the stigma that has developed around it so that people don't feel uncomfortable seeking help. Help is out there.
That was Michelle Herron reporting. Tennessee has had a prescription drug monitoring program since 2006. Georgia public health leaders hope to be able to share data with other states in the future.
Attorney General Jeff Sessions talked about opioids in his speech at the Gatlinburg Law Enforcement Training Conference. He said between 2016 and 2017, fentanyl prosecutions have tripled. Police say fentanyl is up to 50 times more powerful than heroin, and Sessions says the DEA has done a good job combating the opioid crisis.
In the last month and a half, DEA seized nearly 200 pounds of fentanyl in cases from Detroit to New York to Boston. 200 pounds.
Sessions also talked about his goals for 2018, which include reducing crime in America and immigration reform. He closed by thanking officers in Tennessee for their dedication.
And we have a section dedicated to the opioid crisis. You can view it by downloading the WRCB app.